If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on Vodafone, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. This includes checking your credit or debit card details, bank account status, or any other payment options linked to your Vodafone account. Step 2. Verify account information. Log into your Vodafone account and confirm that all your account information is up to date. This includes your billing address, payment method details, and any other relevant information that may affect the transaction. Step 3. Clear browser cache or app data. If you are using a web browser or the Vodafone app, try clearing the cache or app data. This can resolve any temporary glitches that may be preventing the payment from processing. Step 4. Try a different payment method. If the initial payment method fails, consider using an alternative payment method. This could be a different card, PayPal, or any other payment option available through Vodafone. Step 5. Contact Vodafone customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly address any payment issues with Vodafone. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.